Good morning, dear students. There are three diagrams in your syllabus, and out of these three, one will come in your exam, and you have to draw a diagram in a neat and clean manner with proper labeling. Okay, in this video, I will explain the all three diagrams which are in your syllabus. The first diagram is diagram of photosynthesis. As you know, photosynthesis occur in plant, and for this you have to draw a plant with green leaves. So because photosynthesis occur in leaves, and for photosynthesis plant need three things. One is the light energy which will come from the sun. That's why you have to draw a sun here. Second is the carbon dioxide which will come from the air. The third one is the water which plant obtain from the soil with the help of the roots. Okay, and all the three arrows, this and this, are like this, are pointing towards the plant, because all these three things are needed by plant to prepare their food. Okay, during photosynthesis, plant prepare their food and also gives out oxygen in the surroundings. So in this manner you have to draw the diagram of photosynthesis process with proper labeling and with proper arrow. Okay, now moving towards the next diagram which is in your syllabus, that is the structure of a leaf. For this you have to draw a leaf and you have to label these parts. The first one is the, in the leaf there is a central vein which is going through the center of the leaf. That vein is called main vein. Okay, from this central vein many side veins are originated, arising, which are going towards the sides of the leaf. These veins are called side veins. Okay, these veins are called side veins. Okay, here I am pointing towards the one vein, that's why I have written here side vein. Okay, if I have pointing towards the two veins, so I have to, for this I have to write here as here to make it side veins. Understood? The third is the, all this broad portion of leaf is called leaf blade. And you have already read that on the lower surface of leaf there are small pores, and that small pores are called stomata. These small pores help plant to breathe. The last structure which you have to label is the stalk. This stalk this stalk attach the leaf with the trunk. Okay, during drawing the diagram you have to write the name of diagram at the bottom or at the top of the top of the page. Okay, so that examiner or teacher can easily understand the name of the diagram. Okay, the third diagram which is in our syllabus is the diagram of seed. Okay, in this we have to draw the parts of a seed. As we all know, there are three parts of seed. One is the seed coat, second is the embryo, and third is the cotyledon. So here the outer brown portion is the seed coat. The central, this is the green portion, represent the embryo of the seed, that is also called the baby plant. And the central yellow portion represent the cotyledon of the seed, that are also known as the seed leaves. Okay, students, in this manner you have to draw diagrams in your paper or also on your fair copy. I hope this video help you to understand what are the diagrams and how you can draw on your copies. Take care. Thank you.